Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video I am going to show you some coupon codes, some highly discountable coupon codes for TubeBuddy. If you are going to purchase any plan on TubeBuddy, then you can apply those coupon codes to save you lots of money. And the coupon code which I am going to show you, these coupon codes will provide you high discount available in the market for any particular plan on TubeBuddy. And I will also provide coupon codes for upgrade level, like if you already have a plan and if you want to upgrade that plan, then I will also provide coupon code which will provide you 50% discount. And also if you are a beginner level and you are going to purchase first time any plan on TubeBuddy, then there are also some high discountable coupon code I am going to provide you in this video. To work all those coupon codes which I am going to provide you, have to simply follow all those steps which I am going to show you in this video. Before going to actual video, I would like to tell you I have a YouTube channel where as you can see, you can visit my channel where I am providing coupon code like related to different platforms, like as you can see here, early drops of Cloudways, Milesweb. So if you are going to purchase any services from any platform, then you can visit my channel and you will get some coupon codes which are highly discountable coupon code available in the market, and you can use those coupon codes to save you lots of money. Without wasting much time, let's move towards our video. Okay guys, first and important step is you have to click a link. I have given a link in my description box. You have to simply click over there, so that the coupon code which I am going to provide you, that coupon code will work fine. Otherwise, if you are not coming from that link, then some coupon code will not work. As you can see here, your URL should be like this, like tubebuddy.com, and you have to simply forward slash, and after that my channel name Coupon Adda. Then only the code I am going to show you which will provide you high discount, then that code will work fine. Okay, so this is important and strict step, so you have to follow and you have to click, and I will also pin that link into my comment section, so you can come through that link on this page. Okay, and after that you can see this page. This is a home page of TubeBuddy, and after that you have to simply click on sign in, and from here you can sign in with your channel email ID. This is my channel email ID, so I'm going to select this one, and after that you can see this screen. So uh, after that you have to simply click on this, click over there, like upgrade now. Okay, you can see there are basically three plans. Pro. This plan is based for whom which have less than 1,000 subscribers, and the most popular plan is Star, and third one is Legend plan. Okay, and they accordingly they have different features, so you can compare. You can also read about them. Okay, I will provide you coupon codes for all these three plans, and I will also provide coupon codes if you want to upgrade your existing plan. Keep watching this video till end. Okay, so let's get it started. So first of all, I am going to provide you coupon code for Pro version. So Pro plan. Okay, so you have to simply click on this select. After that you will see this screen. As you can see here, yearly payment would be like $86, like, and monthly if you are going to select, it will show $9 per month. So for now I am going to select yearly. Okay, the coupon code to reduce the amount, to save the lots of money, I am going to use is, you have to simply type RISINGSTARBUDDY. So you have to simply type Rising Star Buddy, and you have to keep it small and capital as shown in video, as I shown here. And after typing this, you have to simply click over apply. So I'm going to click on apply. Right now you can see here the current price is $86.40. So now I'm going to apply. You can see you got 50% off for the channels. Like you can see here, like the current price which you have to pay is $43.20 per year. So you can see how exciting these coupon codes are. This plan is basically best for the channel which have less than 1,000 subscribers. So this is a coupon code Rising Star Buddy. You can use to get high discount like 50% off discount. Okay, so this is for pro plan. So now I'm going to change another plan. So now I'm going to select this one, star. Okay, so after that you will see this screen. So as you can see here, yearly price is almost $182 40 cents per year. So but we are not going to pay this much amount. We are going to reduce this amount by using coupon codes. Okay, so the coupon codes for this is, you have to simply type in capital upgrade buddy, UPGRADEBUDDY. So after typing this, you can this is basically upgrade buddy. So after typing this, you can simply click over apply. So let's see how much discount we got. So now current price is $182 40 cents. Now click on apply. So as you can see, now price is $127.68 per year. So guys, this coupon code upgrade buddy will provide you high discount. There is no any other coupon code available in the market which will provide you a higher discount rather instead of this. So you can apply, you can usually you can simply apply this coupon code. Like I have researched all the coupon codes and I find the coupon code which will provide you high discount. Okay, but remember one thing, if you come from that link which I have given in my description box, then only these coupon codes will work, which are highly discountable coupon code. If you are not coming, if you will not come from that link, then coupon code will not work. Then you will complain in comment section like coupon code is not working. So you have to consider first step very important. You have to come that page from that link, then coupon code will work fine. And for third plan, upgrade buddy coupon code will also work fine. So I mean, for third plan, like for legend plan, the code which will save you lots of money will same like upgrade buddy. So you can use coupon code upgrade buddy, which is for a star plan, to save your lots of money. So like I am also going to show this one for you. Okay, so like as you can see here, $470 40 cents per year. Right now the price is for legend plan. So now you have to type upgrade buddy, like as you have typed in star plan. So you the letters are UPGRADEBUDDY. After that you have to simply click over there, like so now current price is 470. So now let's see. Okay, so you can see now a price become $329.28 per year. So we have saved almost 150 dollar plus. So as you can see how exciting these coupon codes. So you can simply apply these coupon codes. So now if you let's say if you want, if you are already existing customer, if you have already some purchase some plan and you want to upgrade any plan, if you want to upgrade uh, your plan, then you have to simply type repeat buddy. To upgrade any plan, you have to type repeat buddy. So as you can see here, REPEATBUDDY, and in this R and B should be capital. Okay, so after that you have to simply click over there like apply, and then it will discount like almost 50% to the current price. But I have not but I have not like I have not purchased any plan right now. But if you already purchased any plan, then you can simply use this coupon code to get 50% discount, and it will definitely provide you 50% discount if you come from that link which I have given in my description box. So these are highly discountable coupon codes available in the market, so you can simply use them. And after that, applying these coupon codes for any plan, you have to simply fill up these forms, like you have to like name, and you have to provide your email id, and here you have to provide select your country and you have to provide your address basically. And after that you have to provide card details, card number, expiry date, and here you have to provide CVV code. and by providing this you have to simply click over submit, then it will show you successfully completed your order, and after that you can simply use all those feature of that particular plan. So the main motive of this video is to provide you some coupon codes which will really save you lots of money. So that's it from this video, and before ending this video I would like to I would like to call you to visit my channel where I have provided different coupon codes for different platforms, and all those coupon codes are highly discountable. So I have provided almost coupon codes for almost every platform. So you can visit once my channel and you can get some exciting coupon codes which will save you lots of money. So that's it, guys. If you like those video, please comment in my section. If you have any problem, and I will provide you another. If you are not able to get discount, then you can comment. I will solve your problem. And that's it, guys, for this video. So thank you so much for watching this video.